What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with an exciting food review, drink review, taste test video. About a month or so ago, I read up how Coca Cola was changing their Coke Zero recipe. It's supposed to make it more like a bold taste. Well, I finally found it. I only found it so far in little cans. They also did a redesign of the can. It's that white lettering, it's black, and they changed well, basically the basic look of it. Let me read this to you quickly. Coca Cola Zero Sugar is rolling out an even more delicious and refreshing recipe in bold new packaging to deliver an even more iconic Coke taste. From what I understand, though, it says a new recipe, but what it's made of is not supposed to change. The new recipe was optimizes existing Coca Cola Zero Sugar flavors and existing ingredients. Starts hitting the shelves this month in the United States with a full nationwide distribution in the U.S. and Canada starting August, with full distribution in September. All listed ingredients and nutrition information remain the same. So everything remains the same, but it's a new recipe. So I'm not sure. What I can only think, well, maybe they just changed the amount of something in there, but it uses the same stuff. But I kind of like the new look of the can. I think it's cool looking. Now, more delicious. Ooh, well, we'll be the judge of that. I'm also going to do a video where I have some of the old Coke Zero and the new Coke Zero. I'm going to do like a comparison video. I only seen a little bit of this so far and for sale. I still see a lot of the old recipe, so if you for some reason want to get the old recipe before it goes, before they start shooting over to the new one, give it a try. So once that's gone, it might be gone forever unless there's enough people complain about it where they go back to the old one. I don't know. Here it goes. Now, in case you're wondering, I found this at a Publix. Well, tastes like Coke Zero. Surprise. I think, the flavor might be a little bit stronger. I'm not going to be more than certain until I do the comparison video, which will be another one. I mean, it has that classic Coke taste. I noticed the zero sugar versions of Pops taste more like the regular Pops than, say, a Diet Coke or, say, Diet Pepsi would compared to Pepsi. You still know you're drinking a Diet Pop, but it's closer to the original or the regular flavor. And it's good. I like it. I mean, I don't mind Diet Coke or Coke Zero. I'm more of a Pepsi man myself, but I do like Coke. What does Coke taste like? You know, it's kind of hard to tell you. This has that cola taste. Always reminded me kind of like a cinnamon flavor slightly. But if you try Coke Zero, this is pretty much the same flavor in my opinion. But I'll know more when I do the comparison video, which I'm going to film after this. It is good. I mean, I like it. And I don't know, I think that red and black like that really looks sweet. Alright. That's it. Any comments, questions, let me know. I'm happy to review this for you guys, and thank you for watching. And I'll have many more videos like this to come. Alright. Bye, everybody. Bye. Yeah.